Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Syarijal. My number matrix is BP241101 and 61. Today I'm going to talk about the most critical money related issues nowadays. In my opinion, the most critical money related issues is the financial literacy. Financial literacy is referred to the ability to understand and manage personal finance effectively, including budgeting, saving, and investing. Unfortunately, many individuals lack of necessary financial knowledge to make informed decisions about their money. This leads to problems such as high costs, inadequate saving, and also increased financial stress, which can have long-term consequences on both individuals and society as a whole. Here are the strong reasons why financial literacy is a major issue that needs to be addressed. First of all, high debt levels due to poor money management. One of the biggest consequences of financial literacy is the increasing level of personal debt. Many individuals take a loan, use credit card in irresponsibility, and make large financial commitments without fully understanding the impact of interest rates, repayment terms, and also long-term financial consequences. This is especially true for young people who may not have received proper financial education. For example, credit cards offer a convenient way to make purchases, but many people fail to pay their full balance each month, leading to high interest charge that quickly accumulate. Student loans are often taken without considering the long-term burden of repayment, leaving many graduates struggling with debt for decades. Personal loan and paydays are frequently used to cover daily expenses without a proper repayment plan, trapping individuals in a cycle of debt. Second, inefficient saving for emergency and retirement. Another major issue linked to financial literacy is the lack of saving, both of emergency and for long-term goals such as retirement. Make many individuals live paycheck to paycheck with little to no savings set aside for unexpected expenses. This put them in a vulnerable position when faced with financial emergency like medical bills, job loss, or even car repairs. Retirement saving is another major concern. Many workers fail to plan for their retirement, assuming that government pensions or financial plans or financial supports from family members will be enough. However, without proper saving or investment plan, individuals may find themselves struggling financially in their years later. A lack of financial education means that many people do not understand how compound interest and long-term investment can help grow their wealth over time. Last but not least, increased financial stress and its impact on mental health. Money problems are one of the leading causes of stress in modern society. Financial stress can affect individuals in many ways, including anxiety and depression due to constant worries about paying their bills, managing debt, and also affording necessities such as their house things and for their fun. Strained relationships as financial problems are a common source of conflict among couples and families. Decreased productivity at work as employees who are stressed about their financial money may struggle to focus on their job. When people do not have knowledge or skill to manage their finance properly, they are more likely to express or experience this negative effect. That's all for me. Thank you.